What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial about how to bypass the Google Adsense terms and conditions glitch. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video.
Okay, so guys, this is a really irritating glitch which I came across when I was trying to go into my Google Adsense account. And on screen here, I can't actually do it. I can't show you guys anymore because I finally got through it after hours and hours of trying to find a solution online, which didn't really help me. Okay, so this is like an updated version, and I know for a fact this works. So other tutorials are most likely wrong when it comes to this. So this information is up to date and it's actually real. So the main reason why this is coming up is because you have multiple accounts associated with your Google Adsense account. I don't know if you remember, but you can add administrators to your account, and you most likely added another email to your account or something, giving that account access or something like that. Maybe you deactivated your current account as an administrator, so you no longer have access, and you need that other account to actually have access. So what you want to do is try to think back to an old account that you may have used in the past. This is going to be annoying, but try to go through all your old Gmail accounts until you find one that actually will let you log in. And you'll know this because as soon as I plugged in a really old Gmail account that I associated my AdSense account with, it brought up the little checkbox at the bottom right here. If you can just see my cursor. It brought that up finally, and it actually let me accept the terms and conditions. Because the main reason this isn't allowing you to accept it is because you're not an administrator, which makes sense. So they don't want a non-administrator accepting these terms and conditions. So you actually have to be an administrator. So just to clarify, go through your account, find a Gmail that actually works with your AdSense. You probably forgot which one it is. So just think back, think hard, and try a bunch of emails until you get one that will actually allow this pop-up to actually accept terms and conditions. It's probably going to take a while. You're probably going to have to think through 1,000 emails depending on how many emails you've created in your lifetime. But that's how you do it. All the other tutorials are wrong. This is right. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and leave a like on the screen. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.